really Irene hurricane, and we are gonna be really dangerous. So far we are having to packing up, and we have to evacuate a lot. There's some free shelter, and starting
your
to
balls.
drizzle, and it's gonna be really dangerous. Don't be at the beach, it's really dangerous. There's gonna be lots of birds, and so far they're not gonna be alive or survive. Thank you.